Are you thrilled by the prospect of the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series? If you are, then you're in for an exhilarating discourse. As a seasoned Samsung user, this new series has accentuated my admiration for their devices. The design of the S24 is a spectacle to behold. It boasts a slim profile and a dazzling edge-to-edge 6.8-inch display that separates it from the cluster of other devices in the market. The colors are a feast for the eyes, and the screen clarity is unrivaled, making it the perfect companion for streaming movies or engaging in gaming. However, the real game changer is the performance. Driven by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, this device is a speed demon. It allowed me to operate multiple apps and transition between them smoothly with zero lag. The inclusion of 5G connectivity ensures a reliable and brisk internet connection wherever the journey takes me. The camera of the S24 series is a feature that stands tall amongst its peers. Equipped with a triple lens setup, a 200MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 10MP telephoto camera, this device captures photos that could give professional cameras a run for their money. The night mode feature is a revelation, capturing bright and clear photos even in the most challenging lighting conditions. The battery life is another feather in its cap. With a 5000 mAh battery, I could use my device throughout the day without the constant anxiety of it running out of juice. When it did require charging, the 25W fast charging feature restored it to full battery in a flash. The S24 also introduces some fresh and exciting features like Samsung's new virtual assistant Bixby and the capability to use the S Pen for the first time in the S series. These additions greatly enhance the versatility and convenience of the device. A commendable aspect of Samsung is their unwavering commitment to security and privacy. The S24 series comes equipped with advanced security features such as facial recognition and an in-display fingerprint scanner, providing an assurance that my personal information remains under lock and key. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series has left an indelible impression on me with its sleek design, formidable performance, and innovative features. It's the ideal device for anyone seeking to elevate their mobile experience. I wholeheartedly endorse this device to anyone on the hunt for a new gadget.